Hey everybody, have you been looking for something that you can do with a really bland meatloaf so that you don't have to eat the same thing day after day? So this is what I did today. I took a potato masher and I mashed up a few slices of meatloaf, mixed it in with some taco seasoning and some Greek spices, and have made myself a big thing of nachos. About to put it in. Okay, so I just took this out. Those little specks of powder you're seeing there, they are not specks of cocaine. It's actually clumped up bits of Parmesan cheese. I know if you've seen my other videos, you're probably having a hard time believing that, but it is Parmesan cheese. Anyway, about to take a sample. Let's see what we got here. Mm-hmm. All right, good stuff.